Hey there, Bryson here, and in this video I will be starting a new series called Journey to Leet Complete, in which I attempt the seriously unreasonable goal of completing every single problem on LeetCode. I know there are better ways for training for getting a coding job, but I'm not doing this to get a job, I'm doing this because I need content. Alright, let's get started. As you can see, I'm pretty new to LeetCode. I have 0 out of 1,368 solved, and I don't really know where to start. Well, two sum probably seems like a good choice, and that's what I'm going to do. Alright, so given an array of integers, return indices of the two numbers such that they add up to a specific target. So there's only one solution. Alright, you may not use the same element twice. Probably need to keep that in note. So I will be doing this in Python 3 because the syntax is easier and I'm not that good at coding, so easier syntax is my kind of syntax. So let's see, we have our nums, which is our list, and we have our target number, so that's probably like that. And so 2 plus 7 equals 9, so then I would return 0 and 1. Oh wait, LeetCode even has hints. Oh my god, this is amazing. Okay, so I think this means it's talking about brute force. That's probably the only way I know so far. So fix a number, say x, and then scan for a y. Something like that. I can't really read. And so hash map? Hash mapu? Okay. Let's get started. So the first thing gonna do is probably make a hash map because it says hash map here. So I am going to do hash map of index from value, and then initialize that to a blank hash map. The reason I'm doing index from value is because you kind of are going to be returning an index. So I think the key will be the values, and then the value would be the index. I don't know if that made any sense. So then I am going to fill that hash map. So for I in range length of nums, I am going to add the thing to index from value, not index from value, index from val of nums of I is going to equal I. Alright, I think that's going to work. Hopefully it works. And then now I am just going to go through the list once again and then see if the difference between the target and that value exists. And if it does, I will return the answer given from index from val. So for I in range length of nums, the reason I am looping over the indices is because I will probably need to use the indices. So the diff, I don't know how to spell difference, so I'm going to stick with diff. And so difference is going to be equal to target minus nums of I. And then we should check if diff is in index from val. And if it is, then I am going to return I, which is the index, and then index from val of diff. And this seems correct, but I forgot to implement this sentence, so I might not use the same element twice. So I'm going to have to add an extra check. So if so I'm going to go like index equals index from val of diff, and then I am going to check if I is not equal to ind. Then I'm going to return this. So hopefully I don't get this error, or like a test case wrong because I didn't do this sentence. So first let's run our code. Speed up, all right. Judging. Hey, it looks not bad. And then now let's submit. Waiting. 40 milliseconds faster than 97.96 of Python 3 online submissions? It's probably a fluke, but I'll take it. Okay, we're taking up some memory, more than average memory, probably because we're using our hash map. But maybe following that hash map advice was good advice because this seems like a good number, but it's probably a fluke because of random chance or something. After every problem, I'm also going to do some LeetCode takeaways. So what did I learn from that problem? I learned that I should probably use hash maps. So use hash maps to find items associated with other items. I think that's the biggest takeaway from that. And I'll continue adding to this list as I do more problems. And now let's refresh this page. And wow, look at that. I have one check mark, 1 out of 1,368 solved. And it's an easy problem, but we could ignore that for now. We could pretend it's a hard problem. Don't tell anyone, okay? Anyway, that's it for this video. If you want to see me go through the 1,360 plus more problems like this, you should subscribe. If you like this video, click that like button. Please interact with this video and tickle more of YouTube's buttons so I get more views, because I need content. My grade kind of depends on it. Alright, see ya.